Shane Ellis here, Tech Support, with another PowerBoss University training video. Today we are going to show you how to configure the Scrubmaster 175, 260, and 400 series scrubbers. You should have with you the service manual for the model that you are going to configure. Turn your knob clockwise until the green arrow is illuminated, then click. That will take you into the next screen. On the left-hand side is your menu. You want to scroll down to the gears. That is your configuration chapter. Across the top is where you will enter your serial number +1. What that means is if you got a serial number like 1234, you will enter 1235 and then hit the touch knob. Now this is an example of one of the configuration tables that you will find in the service manual. The D over on the far right stands for default. Right below where you enter the serial number, chapter, configuration, and content, just like it is there in the table that you will reference. Chapter on the left, configuration in the middle, content on the right. Click the knob and the yellow border will go. Now when you turn the dial, it will get you the chapter and configuration that you want to go to. Now, like in the example here, we're going to scroll to 2.4. Once we get there, we'll click the turn knob. Then you'll go over to the content. You'll click the knob, and then you would change it to 0. Click the knob again, and it will save. And now we will show you how it is done in live time. Across the bottom is your machine menu. You'll turn the knob until the green arrow is highlighted. Press down. Scroll down the left side menu to the gears. Press down. Enter your serial number +1. Mine is 20244. So I will enter 0245. There, it unlocks. Now we will come down to the chapter configuration menu. I am going to use 1.3 for this demonstration. So I will scroll until I come up onto 1.3. Okay, 1.3 right now is turned on with the 1, but I want to turn it off. So now I go over, press the button, scroll to 1, goes to 0, and I press the button for OK. And now that option has been configured. You can go ahead and shut your machine off. This has been another training video from PowerBoss University. Shane Ellis, Tech Support.